You're driving down the highway, and suddenly you hear a harsh, metallic rattling noise from your engine, followed by a sudden loss of power and a glaring check engine light. That terrifying noise and drop in performance are the classic signs of a P0334 code, which means your powertrain control module is getting an intermittent signal from the knock sensor on bank 2. Think of the knock sensor as a highly sensitive microphone bolted straight to the side of your engine block, usually right into the water jacket. Inside, it uses piezoelectric crystals that create a tiny electrical voltage whenever they sense the specific, high-frequency vibrations of engine knock or pre-ignition. When the computer suddenly sees this voltage randomly dropping out, spiking to full battery voltage, or pulsing erratically, it knows it can't trust the sensor to protect the engine, so it pulls engine timing, which totally kills your power. A lot of the time, this code isn't actually a bad sensor, but rather a wiring problem. Because these sensors sit low on the engine block, their wires get completely baked by exhaust heat and are easily damaged when replacing heavy parts like a starter or an engine mount. If you've got a P0334, your first move is a visual inspection. Get a flashlight and trace the single wire from the knock sensor on bank 2, which is the side of the engine that doesn't have cylinder number 1, looking for chafing, melted insulation, or a corroded connector. If the wiring looks pristine, you'll need a digital multimeter. With the engine running, back probe the connector and check the voltage output. It should be a very low, steady voltage. If the reading is completely erratic or dead, and you are totally sure the engine isn't actually knocking from bad gas or a mechanical issue, you're likely dealing with a failed sensor. Just a heads up, if you do replace it, make sure the engine is completely cold because these sensors are often threaded right into the pressurized coolant passages, and taking a bath in boiling antifreeze is a terrible way to spend your weekend.